Christmas, and it's time to get ready for me to make my maple syrup. No, I can't tap the trees yet. Got to get everything ready. So the leaves are turning colors. So that means I've only got so much time to do this in. I have to start tapping trees around December, beginning of December. So that doesn't give me a lot of time to get everything ready. Okay, as you know, my son is building me a grill, oven, stove, whatever you want to call it, outdoors, so that I can cook my maple syrup. Right now is an excellent time to, if you're going to do it, to make sure that you're getting the maple trees. Maple leaves right now, they're turning colors, but you can see the points on them. That's what it looks like. Because wintertime, it's a lot harder to tell. Some people are able to do it, but it's a lot harder to tell the bark on trees in the wintertime. Now, what I've done is, on my maple trees, I've told you once before, but I just put a little bit of spray paint. I use the color that I can see if it's not overly obvious, so that way I know that I can come to this tree in the wintertime and I can tap it and get my maple syrup. Well, shouldn't say maple syrup, it's maple sap, because I have to turn it into the syrup.
Where we're going to be feeding the firewood. And I'll take some of them brick and I'll lay them on the inside, and I'll have a grate that'll come across down here. So there'll be a grate coming across here. I'll get some more mortar and level this out, and it'll just kind of funnel out. Have edges, the mortar, that way it just go right out that way. The grate will be here. They'll put the firewood in here. And then I'll probably put another layer, of course the block will be on the side, I'll put another layer of brick probably all the way around to even it up. And then there'll be another grate probably about here. And that's what she'll be cooking on. And then, like I said, it'll come up and then have like a big old, like a chimney pipe up at the top for all the smoke and everything to go out of. You kind of picture it now a little bit with the arc. All right, so far this morning, I put a couple layers of fire brick. And Brent, he should be cutting a grate right now. It's going to have big open bars, and then we'll put some wire mesh over top of that. And this is where the firewood's going. We'll be burning. They'll drop through them holes, and then we'll be able to clean out the ash. And this is pretty close to where the grill is going to be going, where she'll actually be cooking once I get this here finished. I'll get this all topped off and I'll let it set up. And then after we get the grate ready, then I'll start going up, build like a chimney, like up on top of it. Alright, so there's an old hog gate. We cut it down. Went ahead and I put these bars in here. And then what we'll do is we'll get a smaller wire, but fairly thick, and we'll put over this with holes in it and everything. That way the ashes can go down. But this ought to hold, once it sets up, this ought to hold them big logs really good. We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.